GST e-invoicing introduces a process of authenticating an electronically generated invoice through the reporting platform of the Indian GST authorities and is considered as a significant step in the digital transformation journey. It enables real-time tax reporting, reduces mismatches of input tax credit, and provides for retention of records in an e-environment. Under this new regime of tax compliance, the government's invoice registration portal will generate an identification number, an IRN and QR code against the invoices raised, thereby simplifying the process with just a few manual steps, resulting in reduction of errors, more accuracy, and aiding faster circulation of money. Deloitte India has developed the GST BoltOn 2.0, an advanced, simple, fully compliant enterprise resource planning agnostic solution especially designed and tailored to meet the business needs. This solution focuses on ERP readiness, identification of modifications required in ERPs, complete adherence to invoice schema of GST law, and provides alternative methods of interaction of suppliers' data with Deloitte India's solution and automated data validation and data repository. The BoltOn 2.0 will simplify and automate the e-invoicing landscape and help clients eliminate manual intervention, facilitating real-time e-invoicing authentication. The current invoicing systems poses certain challenges like lack of standard model for invoicing, no interoperability and dependency on manual data entry, issues in data reconciliations, and time-consuming and effort-intensive returns filing. The businesses therefore will look for ways to standardize and automate their GST-compliant invoicing modules, and infuse overall efficiency in their invoicing processes to improve timely availability of input tax credits, reduction in input tax credit reconciliation blockages, and contribute to better cash flow. Now let's consider a scenario in which invoices are generated in the SAP ERP using the API integration method of connecting SAP with Deloitte's BoltOn 2.0 solution and subsequently create the relevant IRN and QR codes. In the API integration method, the APIs to be consumed by SAP are 1. Authentication, for authenticating the user with valid credentials. 2. Generating IRN, for generating the IRN and QR code. 3. Cancelling IRN, for cancelling the existing IRN and QR code for the invoices. The invoice generation process in SAP can be triggered with the transaction code. A direct real-time integration call is then made from SAP to BoltOn 2.0. The invoice detail document is converted to the required JSON/XML file format and passed on to the BoltOn API. BoltOn interacts with the government IRP portal to register an invoice and generate the IRN and QR codes. The response file with IRN and QR code detail for an invoice is received back to SAP from BoltOn in the JSON/XML file format. SAP converts this file into its own readable format and updates the respective tables with IRN and QR code in real time. The invoice is then printed in the PDF format with IRN and QR code details. With Deloitte's BoltOn 2.0, businesses will save time and reduce inefficiencies due to manual intervention. They will also have greater control over GST-compliant invoicing processes. The BoltOn 2.0 solution is simplified, seamless, automated, and real-time. It can convert any file format to JSON and upload in IRP. It enables segregation of documents for which e-invoice and e-way bill are required. The user has to access only one interface for the e-invoice and e-way bill generation. The BoltOn allows upfront validation of data such as place of supply, tax rate to avoid rejection of data from GSTN. It helps in preparation of annual return/MIS tool to consolidate the data for annual return and customize various MIS reports. There's 24/7 technology support helpline and a dedicated SPOC. And lastly, the tax and technology teams will hand-hold your transition and beyond. There will be no need to open envelopes, PDFs, scanners, and emails anymore. Move to e-invoicing today and help convert India's commercial economy into a digital and transparent system and a paperless compliance regime. Innovate, implement, accomplish.